Hey, are you searching for a side hustle? In this video, I will give you all the information you want about high-ticket affiliate marketing and also give you 5 predictions about the affiliate marketing industry. Don't go away, because in the end, there will be a bonus tip that makes affiliate marketing so much easier to succeed. So, welcome to WebWise Tactics YouTube channel. My name is George and I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. Maybe you are like so many other men and women who need more financial freedom in their life. Are you? Perhaps you have a job that you hate, or maybe you just want to take more vacations each year. If you want a reliable way of making extra money online without spending months getting started or wasting countless hours each day trying to grow online, I want to share with you 5 reasons that affiliate marketing is the side hustle that you are looking for. I have 4 years of digital marketing experience, and I was able to take my side hustle as full-time in 2019 when I quit my job as a website developer in a small company. These days, I support my family of 4 with only the money that I make online, and on this channel, I share high-ticket affiliate marketing strategies, giving viewers the proven blueprint to high-ticket commissions by creating a business without creating products, taking out clients, or handling customer service. So if that's of interest to you, like this video and smash that subscribe button in appreciation, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you get the best insight from my experience. Now, before I started my online business, I was working 50 to 60 hours a week in a very small company. The time we were living with the family, the rent was expensive, and because we had small kids, money was tight. It is not that we were broke, but at the end of the month, there was nothing left over for anything fun. Let me know down in the comments if you can relate to this story, and same with your job. Maybe you'd like to live someday as well. Now, back to the beginning. Back in 2017, I knew the only way I was ever going to dig myself out and start living an amazing life was going to be if I was able to build an online business. The problem was I didn't have a bunch of extra money lying around to invest thousands of dollars on physical inventory. So that was out of the question because I was already so busy with my job at the software house. Taking on a bunch of clients was just impossible. Luckily, I discovered affiliate marketing because with affiliate marketing, you can partner with existing businesses and earn a commission for referring customers to them. This means you only have to use your free time and revenue-generating activities, not fulfillment. It's kind of becoming a freelance digital marketer. Make sure you stick around until the end of this video, because I'm going to give you a bonus tip that makes it so much easier to succeed. It took me years to discover this, but once you know this little hack, you can start making money so much faster, so much easier. So let's see what a probable side hustle has. Let's say you are starting to think this whole affiliate marketing thing might be a pretty good idea. Let's talk about the future of affiliate marketing. The other night, I participated in a nearly 5 hours long mastermind with some of the top high-ticket affiliate marketers in the game today. Collectively, in that group, there were hundreds of thousands of dollars every month in commissions. And here are 5 predictions about the affiliate marketing industry that we all agreed on. The first prediction: high-ticket marketing is going to explode over the next few years. We've noticed that search traffic on YouTube for the term high-ticket affiliate marketing has skyrocketed in the last few months, thanks in part to the wave of information floating on TikTok these days. This means that more and more folks are starting to learn about high-ticket affiliate marketing is a viable option for lucrative online business, and this also means that now is the best time ever to partner with an online education company like Legendary Marketer, because they teach the advanced affiliate marketing skills that are going to be so in demand over the next few months and years. Now, let's get prediction number 2. A small following is more valuable than a large social media presence. Because folks are getting smarter, consumers know they have options in a world full of automation. Buyers are literally craving the human touch. This means that you do not need millions of followers on social media to make good money if you are willing to reach out. Actually, communicate with folks and you can turn a new TikTok account or a new Facebook page into a $50,000 or $60,000 per year business faster than you might ever imagine. Prediction number 3. Closing high-ticket sales work best via Facebook Messenger. So if you are free to sell, if you'd clam up at the thought of getting in a Zoom call with a potential customer, then I have terrific news for you. Closing on Facebook Messenger is crushing it right now. Simple scripts, the ability to listen, and a few encouraging words are usually all it takes to convert the interested lead into a high-ticket commission. Could you imagine making $1,000 commissions without ever talking directly to your buyers? This is the present reality in the future opportunity. We're becoming increasingly more comfortable having the most important conversations via text. So that's good news for the introverts out there who want to start an online business. Prediction number 4. Those who treat affiliate marketing like a business will get paid like a business. You can't double and expect to make money anymore. Every single successful affiliate marketer that was on that mastermind call the other day has invested thousands, some even tens of thousands of dollars in mentors, coaches, and training. Investing in training is the shortcut. I know it's cliche, however, it really is incredible that folks will spend $50,000 on a college degree that will get maybe an $80,000 job, and the same folks won't invest a few grand to learning skills that can literally turn into an $80,000 per month business and also provide the type of security and freedom we all desire. Prediction 5. The cost of not investing in proper training is always more expensive. Yeah, I'm almost embarrassed to admit this. There were also stories of losing thousands on Facebook simply because we just tested and we didn't invest in simple training. Simple errors in repackaging of Amazon FB products cost us thousands of dollars, and a majority of our most expensive mistakes could have been avoided if we just had proper guidance that doesn't even take into consideration the amount of money you lose every single day by not earning what you could be capable of if you learn hyping skills as soon as possible. That's why when I say it is in your best interest to invest in training so you can start living the life you desire and deserve, I'm not asking you to give money away. I'm showing you how you can actually stop losing the money you already have. Think about that statement for a moment. All right, let's recap really quickly and then I'll give you my bonus tip. The future of affiliate marketing as a side hustle business is bright. High-ticket affiliate marketing is going to explode over the next few years, and now is the best time ever to get in the game so you could be ahead of the curve. A small list of followers could be more valuable than a large social media presence. So this is beginner friendly also. There are no excuses anymore. Closing, high-ticket sales work best via Messenger. So even if you're afraid of selling face-to-face, you can still make high-ticket commissions. If you treat affiliate marketing like a business, it can pay you like a business. This is a real business with real potential. And the cost of not investing in proper training is always more expensive. Now, let me know in the comments if this is your first introduction to affiliate marketing or if you're familiar with the business model. If you found value today, consider liking and subscribing so you can catch my future videos where I will break down more cutting-edge affiliate marketing strategies in order to show you what's working right now. For that bonus tip, here is the thing about affiliate marketing when we are promoting other people's products. You want to leverage the buzz that already exists. Don't start by choosing a niche and then finding some obscure product to promote. Start with a product. Leverage the buzz in the market, and that makes affiliate marketing so much easier. It took me a long time to learn that, but this is the hack. And finally, if you want to jump in, get a massive training and a huge head start so you can be in front of the mass. Adaptation and adoption of this business model. Look in the description below, or you'll find my #1 recommended resource for learning how to get affiliate marketing. If you go over to my webwisetactics.com, you can see a short video. It is a little bit more about my story and reveal some of the keys that allowed me to create a multiple six-figure affiliate marketing business that allows me to work about 4 hours a day and only 4 days a week and make more money than I ever thought possible. Reach out if you need anything, and don't put off checking out my webwisetactics.com. Do it right now, because if you don't, you know what's going to happen. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you need anything.